half kneeling, landmine presses. You're going to get into a lunge position with your back knee supported on the ground. You're going to have your toes pointing straight, torso facing forward as well. Whichever your base knee is going to be, you're going to pick up the barbell on the sides. Okay, and get into a press position. Notice that his right hand is in the air. He's not holding onto his right thigh, so you need to get rid of that contact point, stabilize your trunk as you press. So you're going to fully lock out your elbow, press and finish. As he presses, he's going to be squeezing his glutes, squeezing his abs, okay, keeping his midline nice and tight. Okay, and bring it down slowly, and then press straight, okay, and then bring it down. So make sure your elbows pointing straight forwards, and you're trying to press vertically as opposed to elbow flaring out to the sides.